Hello everyone and welcome to another Weekend Saver Bundle preview. This weekend we've got loads of dazzling nouveau products for you available from Friday 9 AM until Monday 4 PM. So I'm going to go through a few of those bundles with you now and talk about just what's on offer this weekend at up to 50%, so really big discounts this weekend. So first of all, we'll go and show you the glitters. There are two bundles of glitters here, and these are Nouveau Pure Sheen glitters, so you'll know the quality that you expect from those. And yeah, we got a wonderful so golds, whites and purples. They're in lovely containers. They look great on the shelf as well. And also we've got another one then in more warmer colours. So you've got an orange, a gold and a red there for you, all with the quality you'd expect from Nouveau Pure Sheen glitters. All right, next up then we've got a sequins little bundle. So these are Nouveau Pure Sheen sequins. If you haven't seen them before, they're really high quality sequins, and 35 milliliter pots. So they are, you can use them for your shakers, all that kind of stuff, for a little sort of sprinkling, maybe it's on your background photos, things like that as well. You can do them, but yeah, really quality sequins, and you get loads inside as well. So there you go, before it falls over, loads and loads in there. Right, okay, next, so as you can see, sparkle, that's what we got this weekend on the store. Next up is the glitter markers. So these have been one of our most popular Nouveau pens, and they're the glitter markers. So if you haven't seen them before, they're a wonderful dazzling marker pen. Really great for doing finishing details. If you're doing colouring, just putting some extra bits of shine there to really add some luxury to your designs. Really great, and you get a lovely selection of them here. You've got a green, you've got a sort of pink, a purple, a lighter pink, and then a blue or turquoise there as well for you, so an aqua for you. All right, next up then we'll go the glitter accents. So you got a little glitter accents bundle. Now these give an embellishment, sort of a thicker sort of glitter embellishment. So think crystal drops, but more malleable in what you're creating with your design. They've got a precision nib on there, and you can use it to create accents. A good example of them being used have been used for snow and bits and pieces like that, but also they can be used for loads of different. They're one of those where you take the lead with them and create some really cool stuff. Right, and by the way, these come in metallics as well, so you've got a silver, a gold and a bronze. And then to finish off on the metallic theme, we have Tonic Studios Gilding Flakes. So we've got them in a gold and a silver, and if you've ever seen them used before on the show, you always have to be careful not to breathe on them, because they will go everywhere. They're packed, these little pots, and really great. So if you've got your Nouveau tools from anything, maybe you've had them in the kits, or you've had them from weekenders past, they're brilliant for adding those finishing, so gilding details, and create some really awesome effects, distressed effects too, some really stuff, and in a silver and gold. So there are your Nouveau bundles for this weekend. They close at Monday at 4 PM as usual. So loads and loads of bargains to get your hands on. I hope you enjoy them.